A boy suddenly feels his heart racing. What happened? Is it heart palpitations or a stress response?
Great case. A racing heart can feel scary because it comes out of nowhere and feels out of control. Sometimes the heart itself is beating fast because of a rhythm change called a palpitation. Other times, the brain sends a stress signal that floods the body with adrenaline, making the heart pound even when nothing dangerous is happening. Today we will learn which clues lead to which cause.
So, what does that actually mean?
Heart palpitations happen when the electrical system inside your heart temporarily fires too quickly or irregularly. A stress response happens when the brain releases adrenaline, which speeds the heart on purpose during fear or pressure. Palpitations come from the heart's rhythm, but stress response comes from the nervous system. Both feel fast, both feel intense, but they start from different places inside the body.
I wonder, how does the body react when this happens?
In palpitations, the heart's electrical nodes misfire, creating a sudden heart rate spike. In a stress response, the sympathetic nervous system activates, releasing adrenaline and increasing heart rate, breathing, and alertness. One is a cardiac rhythm issue, and the other is a brain-driven emergency response. Both systems are powerful and respond instantly.
How does this show up in real life?
Here are the clue categories. Symptoms: palpitations feel like fluttering, skipping beats, or pounding without warning. Stress response feels like rapid heartbeat, sweating, shaking, or chest tightness. Triggers: palpitations may follow caffeine, dehydration, or sudden standing. Stress responses come from worry, pressure, embarrassment, or fear. Better versus worse: palpitations improve with rest or hydration, and worsen with stimulants. Stress response improves with breathing or grounding, and worsens with anxious thoughts.
So, small equals big?
Yes, they do. A little caffeine, skipping water, or poor sleep can slowly build stress on the heart until a palpitation fires. A small worry can snowball into a big adrenaline loop if the brain keeps focusing on danger. Just like a small spark can start a whole fire, small habits affect both rhythm and stress pathways over time.
So, how do I start?
Here is your 3-step action plan. Step 1. Identify. Notice if the heartbeat is irregular, fast, or tied to stress. Step 2. Reset. Sit down, take slow breaths, relax shoulders, and sip water to calm the sympathetic system. Step 3. Prevent. Limit caffeine, hydrate daily, get good sleep, and practice calming techniques to keep rhythm steady and stress signals low.
What should we do today?
Today's challenge is simple. Drink 1 full glass of water and take 5 slow breaths sometime before noon. Hydration helps your heart rhythm stay steady, and breathing helps your nervous system stay calm. Comment the word heart if you want more detective cases like this. Your heart is strong, and learning its signals makes you even stronger. When you understand the difference between rhythm issues and stress reactions, fear becomes confidence. Small habits protect your heart and your peace every single day. Keep learning, keep noticing, and keep growing as a disease detective.
See you in the next episode.